Today I'm going to do a review on the GAN AIR SM. Getting right into it, I'm going to start with the accessories. So, it comes with 7 GES nuts. The stock version comes with the blue nuts. You get 7 GES nuts in this packaging. You also get this business card, which is pretty useless. And you get a cube bag, which is a very nice velvet material, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. It's just drawstring, it's pretty standard. I'm not a big fan of cube bags because I don't like the material. But, so let's get into let's get into corner cutting. Corner cutting is very good. It goes slightly past 45, and it's really nice. It has a very buttery smooth feeling, and it's very fast. It's very fast. Depending on what GES nut you have, it'll be tighter or looser based on the springs. These are just springs, basically. And it also has algorithms are very easy to do, and they feel very just like consistent. It has very good fluidity. It's really buttery, and again, it has a very buttery smooth feeling, like I said. And it's just amazing how nice this cube is. Also, the cube also comes with a case, but mine broke, so don't worry, it won't break for yours when I was just being stupid. And algorithms are very easy to execute. Right when I got this cube, I broke my PB. So on this card, it says your ultimate PB renewer, and that is definitely true. The first time I did with this cube, I broke a PB, and that's pretty awesome. So I guess that's it, and that's my review on the GAN AIR SM. I would definitely recommend buying it if it wasn't so expensive. If you're in a budget, don't buy it. But if you're not in a budget, definitely buy it. It's 26 pounds or about $35 online. It is amazing, so I recommend buying it, and goodbye.